Welcome to Vegan Method. In this video I'm making poor man's pizza. Now poor man's pizza is something my dad used to make when I asked him what was for dinner. He'd say, I don't know, how about poor man's pizza? It's actually quite delicious, it's easy to make and only has 4 ingredients. Right, this is so simple, as I keep saying. We need to slice the bread, slice the mushrooms, slice the tomatoes. Then what we're going to do is toast one side of the bread until it's nice and brown, and then we're going to put the mushrooms, tomatoes and cheese on the bread and then pop it back under the toaster. As the bread wasn't toasted on the side that we're covering, it will toast the bread where there's no coverage of ingredients. So basically it's not going to burn the bread because it's pretty much covered. And I always do my toast one side toasted and the other side not toasted if I'm putting a topping on it. So that's it, poor man's pizza. If you're in a pinch for cash or time, it is a really great and delicious dinner. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe and leave comments below.